How do I prepare and file a petition for dissolution of marriage? If you're navigating the complex process of divorce and wondering where to start, preparing and filing a petition for dissolution of marriage is your first significant step. Let's break it down into manageable parts to help you through this process. First, you need to gather all the necessary information and documents. This includes your marriage certificate, birth certificates of any children under 18, and any previous court orders related to your marriage or civil partnership. Next, you'll need to decide on the type of divorce form to use. If you're filing alone, you'll use a petition for divorce form, typically labeled as Form 72A in some jurisdictions. If both spouses are filing together, you'll use a joint petition for divorce, often labeled as Form 72B. The petition itself must include key details such as the full contact information for both spouses, the date and place of the marriage, the date of separation, and the grounds for the divorce. You'll also need to outline what you're seeking from the divorce, including plans for child custody, spousal support, and the division of property and assets. In addition to the petition, you may need to include other documents like a financial affidavit, a property division plan, and a parenting plan if there are minor children involved. Proof of residency is also crucial, as different jurisdictions have varying residency requirements. Once you've prepared all the necessary documents, you'll need to file the petition with the court. This typically involves taking the documents to the court's registrar's office or mailing them to the specified address. You'll also need to pay a filing fee, which can vary but is around £310 in some jurisdictions. After filing, the court will process your documents and return a certified copy of the petition to you. You'll then need to serve this copy to your spouse, which can be done by mail, through a process server, or by another adult. This step is crucial and must be completed within a specified time frame, often within 6 months of filing. If your spouse does not contest the divorce, you can proceed to the next steps, which may include preparing a trial record and swearing an affidavit before a commissioner of oaths. If there is no response from your spouse, it indicates they are not contesting the divorce, and you can move forward with the process. Finally, after all the necessary steps and waiting periods, you'll apply for your certificate of divorce, which is your official proof of divorce. This certificate is usually available after a certain period, such as 31 days following the divorce judgment. By carefully following these steps and ensuring all documents are complete and accurate, you can navigate the divorce process more smoothly. Remember, it's always a good idea to have your documents reviewed by a lawyer or a family court assistance office to avoid any mistakes or delays.